Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope that you all are fine and doing great at your home. So, here I am, your teacher Hani Kanajia, and I will be teaching you English today. So, children, we studied few lines, right? You saw some videos and you also studied in the live class about few lines. So now we will revise all the lines we studied. First line we studied was a standing line, right? This is standing line. And then what we studied? Sleeping line, right? Which line is this? Sleeping line. The sleeping line is that line which is in sleeping position, and the standing line is line which is in standing position, right? So let's just have a quick exercise. Is this a sleeping line? No, this is a standing line. Is this a standing line? Yes. Is this a sleeping line? Yes. Which line is this? Tell me, which line is this? Forward slant line. Which line is this? Sleeping line. Which line is this? Backward slant line. Okay, so let's see other lines as well. So which line is this? Can you see? Can you tell me which line is this? This is forward slanting line because it is बेंडिंग फॉरवर्ड. ये फॉरवर्ड बेंड है, इसे हम फॉरवर्ड स्लैंट लाइन बोलेंगे, राइट? एंड लेट्स सी अनदर वन. दिस इज विच लाइन इज दिस? दिस इज बैकवर्ड स्लैंट लाइन बिकॉज इट इज बेंडिंग बैकवर्ड. ये बैकवर्ड बेंड है. इट इज नॉट बेंडिंग फॉरवर्ड, इट इज बेंडिंग बैकवर्ड. सो वी विल कॉल backward slant line. So today we are going to trace on page number 1 to 12 and 1 3 13. हम 1 to 12 और 1 to 3 13 में trace करेंगे. So the first exercise is based on standing line. Okay, the first exercise is based on standing line. Which line is this? Standing line. Let's start tracing. Before starting the work, we have to mention the date and classwork. So first of all, mention the date here. What is the date today? Mention it here and mention the name of your ward. Okay, mention classwork here. Alright, now we can start the work, students. Now everyone hold your pencil correctly. Fold your last two fingers and hold it with these three. Okay, now put your pencil on the very first dot of the traced lines. These are the dots as you can see, and we will start from the very first dot. Join every dot, dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot. Which line is this? A standing line. Okay, in the same way you will trace all the standing lines and you will say it. Which line is this? Standing line. Speak everyone. See, ma'am ने यहाँ पे गलत कर दिया. Ma'am has done wrong. So I will erase it and I will just do it again. Okay, so you also have to erase when you have done wrong. Standing line, standing line. Dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot, standing line. Dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot, standing line. Which line we are making, children? This is standing line. Which line is this? Standing line. Which line is this? Standing line. Okay, so we are done with the standing line and now come to the sleeping line. Here is the sleeping line and we have to join the dots properly. Join this dot to this one. Dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot. अगर if you are not able to join it properly, then do one thing, don't hurry up, जल्दी नहीं करना है. You have to go slow and join each dot properly from this dot to this dot. Done? 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 Okay, dot to dot, 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 dot to dot. Done? So we trace the line and in a very perfect manner, right? So you can also follow this until and unless you are not able to do it in a continuous flow. Sleeping line. Which line we are making here? Sleeping line. So which line is this? Sleeping line. Okay. Dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot. Do it slowly and complete the work in the same way as I have done here. Okay? When you are done with this page, then come to another one. On the other page, what is given? First of all, mention this page, mention the date here, mention the name here, and mention classwork as well. Now, come here. Trace the forward slant lines. So children, see, this is forward slant line. Okay, why we are calling it forward? I have told you many times, because it is bending forward. ये कहाँ bend कर रही है? Forward. It is not bending backward, it is bending forward. So this is forward slanting line. Okay, forward slanting line. So let's take the pencil, hold your pencil and start tracing forward slanting line. How you will trace forward slanting line? Let me tell you. You have to go from down to up. आपको down to up जाना है, ठीक है? Not up to down. Up to down trace नहीं करना है. You don't have to trace up to down. Trace it down to up. Trace it like this. Okay, which line is this? Forward slant line. Dot to dot. Forward slant line. Slowly. Forward slant line. Go slow. And you have to trace it on the dots. On the dots. Forward slant line. Complete the full tracing. आपको ऐसे नहीं छोड़ना है बीच में. Okay, you don't have to leave it. This also you have to complete this much. Okay. Forward slant line. Now ma'am is thinking that ma'am has done wrong, so I will correct it. Dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot. Forward slant line. Okay, which line is this? Forward slant line. It is bending forward and this is bending backward. Next is trace the backward slant line. Backward, backward. Why we are calling backward? Because they are bending backward, not forward. Okay? So backward को कैसे trace करना है? Forward slant line we traced down to up. Backward slant line we will trace up to down. Up to down. Okay? Join the dots properly. Good. Very nice. Dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot. Backward slant line. Very good. Dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot. Backward slant line. See how easy it is? Right? Backward slant line. Which line we are making? Which line we are tracing here? Backward slant line. Okay? Trace the line. Dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot. Backward slant line. See, now ma'am will erase whatever ma'am has done wrong. Dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot. Backward slant line. So try doing your work with perfection. Okay? Try doing your work with lot of perfection. Now see, we have done 2 pages, page number 1 to 12 and page number 1 through 13. Okay? So what is written here? Encourage the child to name the strokes while tracing. Encourage the child to name the strokes while tracing. So what the parent has to do? Encourage a word to speak, to name the strokes they are tracing, whether it is standing, sleeping, or forward slant line or backward slant lines. Whatever they are tracing, they should speak them. Okay, that's all for today's session. Do this work and submit on Google Classroom. Thank you so much for watching this video.